In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Tag Manager onto your website. The website will be a WordPress website, but you can apply it to any website. So first thing we'll do is go over here, and if we go to Google Tag Manager here, if you don't have a Google Tag Manager account, just head over there and create one. And first thing we'll do is click on Create Account here, and we'll call this My Blog, and we can click Continue, and we can call this Kev Thompson, which is the name of my blog. And where to use the container, we'll click Web, and we'll click Create here, and Terms and Conditions, we can click Yes to this. So here we are given the Google Tag Manager container. Paste this code into the head of the page. Paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. Okay, so if we take this code and copy this, and then head over to my blog here, this is WordPress. So to install the code in WordPress, we're going to go to Appearance and Editor. And over here we have some files, and we're going to go to the theme header, which is header.php. Every WordPress theme will have a header.php, and every website will have a header file. So if we click on header.php, here is that file. Now it's said to place it as high in the head as we possibly could. So just after the head tag there is where we'll put our Google Tag Manager container. So there's the container, Google Tag Manager, in the header, and we click Update File there. Now let's just check that the site is actually still working. And the site is still working. So now if we head back over to Google Tag Manager, we can click OK. So in case you're wondering, this second piece of code here, which it says to put after the body tag, is for browsers that don't have JavaScript running. So if JavaScript is running, this container will run. If JavaScript isn't available in the browser, then this will run. But actually I'm not really too worried about this. Most people are running browsers with JavaScript. So we can click OK here, and here's my container, and what we're going to do is add a tag. This will be the basic Universal Analytics page view tag, which we need to record data in Google Analytics. So if we click New, Untitled Tag, and we'll call it Universal Analytics, like so. And here we're going to choose Universal Analytics, like this. And it's a page view tag, and so you can set up a variable to do this. I'm just going to click override here and put my tracking ID in here. So to get the tracking ID for Google Analytics, which needs to go in here, we head over to our Google Analytics account, which I've already set up. And to get the ID we need, if we go down here, click this gear wheel, And if we click on tracking info, tracking code, the tracking ID we need is this one here. So if we take that tracking ID from Google Analytics, head back over to Google Tag Manager, paste that in there, and the trigger here when we want this particular tag to fire, if we click the pencil here, and we simply want this one to run on all pages. So the tag is called Universal Analytics. It's the page view tag. Our tracking ID from Analytics is placed there. Run on all pages. Save this. And we can click preview here. And now when we go over to my blog, refresh this page, what we can see down in this debug console here is tags fired on page Universal Analytics once. So that looks correct. Back over to Tag Manager, and we're ready to submit that. And I'm not going to fill any of this out, but you can if you like, just saying what you did. I'm going to click Publish, Continue, and there we go. The tag is published. So now if we head back over to the blog and let's try another post here. And we can see that tag firing, and that is sending data into Google Analytics. So that is how you set up Google Tag Manager and run the Universal Analytics page view tag through Google Tag Manager. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video.